Mayroon hapon sa kanan. So, this dialogue is one of the most important because to this dialogue, we know why Socrates chose to die rather than choose to live. So, imagine that your endeavor is to educate people, the youth of Athens. And through your endeavor, you are imprisoned and sentenced to death because of corrupting the youth and inviting to the gods. Here comes that you have a friend named Crito. Crito is a nobleman, a wealthy man, have a money, connection, and a place to you. He wants you to set free. So that's so very important to Socrates because Crito is Pagamani, is a nobleman. That's why katong pagkulong ni Kuan ni Socrates, isulod si Crito sa Kuan sa kulungan ni Socrates. Ibayaran niya Kuan ang katong mga sundalo nito. So isulod siya sa Kuan sa kulungan ni Socrates, so nag-istorya ni Socrates. And now sa place code, kumalitan mo sibat ni Socrates, and nasa lugar daan ngayon kapuyan para okay kaya sinabuhi. Pero si Socrates is something nagduwa-duwa dahil feel niya ikapulan sila mali ito. So start nila Kuan argument na sige na Socrates, please ang mga katawan na sayon nga ang mga kwarta nagagbahan may ikapulan mo sila na amigo kita kanila kita. So ang ilang Kuan sa tuwa mas ang ilang itik na dili ka friend magdagdag ang kitabangan ikapulan mo sila na kaya tika pag-awson. So, makita natin na si Crito is, yan yung pinapangalagaan iyang reputation. So, mga itong anak si Socrates na he criticized Crito for being overly concerned with other people think. The opinions has nothing to do with what's right and what's wrong. So, ayaw ko na dito nga, anong mga tao, lalo sila kapanggaan sa kung saan tinuod, kung saan hindi tinuod. Eh sila nag-kuhan ka, kung sa itong kuhan, sikat ka ron, muli lang kuhan. But Crito disagrees. He says, your own impending execution has evidence that public opinion can indeed impact one's life. So, kapulog, ito sa report lang ko kanina, kapulog ka, ano nga, isintensya sa death, itungod sa kuhan, mga tao. Kaya mga tao gusto nga ipapatay siya. The people can put someone to death, but both the greatest evils and the greatest good. Isa pag kung saan kamayin ibuhat basta ang gusto sa katawan nga ipapatay ka, mamatay yun ka. So, he attempts to reassure him, promising that Socrates' life is worth the risk, but Socrates doesn't engage with this line of argument at all, except to affirm that I do have these things in mind, Crito. So, ginag-reassure yun ni Crito nga, saling lang sa kuha Socrates, kaya dito ka, kaya lang ka pag-awson. So, pero ano naman sa Socrates nga mali dito. He considers it unjust for Socrates to die when given the opportunity to live, as he would have abandoning his sons and his loved ones. So, kinapasabot yung ni Crito si Socrates na magalitan sa Socrates, mamatay ka, kung saan mali mong anak, kung saan mga hinigugma, pabiyas sa imuha. So, matong si Socrates is on his sage mood. So, he asked Crito if one should only care for the opinions of the wise rather than the foolish. Socrates expands on his thought, comparing the opinions of the fool fools about justice and the opinions of laymen about medicine. Muna kung nakuhan, pinamasakit ka. Asa magkakonsulta sa mga albularyo o sa doktor. Siyempre, dito yung kasama ng kabalo, sa mga alamon. Muna ko sa justice code. Asa mga ito, sa mga marites, o atong sa mga kabalo sa ginabalaon. So, muna yung ginagawa ni Socrates. Tuwa na itong mas kabalo yun. And then, Socrates asks Crito whether the part of the self destroyed and unjust action is more than less valuable than the health of the body. Crito replies that it is more valuable. Manalitan, Crito, sanang mamatay ko. Pagkabulos na naman, ito nagikuha. So, it's something heroic, isa kuha. Kinamatay ko tungkol sa mali na kuhan. Tinsa. Pero kung tapos sa kuhan ito, miracle number 7. Katong kuhan, baka namatay, baka grabe itong kuhan, grabe itong kaluwi sa kuhan ba? Ito mo, namatay sa mali na siya. So, it is acceptable to act wrongly as revenge who are wrong committed against oneself. So, tama ba ang kuhan mo? Revenge ka sa mga mali na ibuhat sa buha? Would my escape not be hurting people whom we should please to do harm to? So, Socrates proceeds by speaking rhetorically as the laws and the state, asking, it is possible to ignore the verdict of the court without implying that the courts have no validity. That would mean attempting to destroy the city by undermining its laws. So, panglitan, kung di ko matuwa sa akuhan, sa verdict sa court sa kuha, so ginakuha na ko sila, ang court akuhan may disobey. So, kung disobey, it is unjust. Dito, makatarugan. So, pero si Socrates, ay si Plato, gabi ang kuhan, sabi siya na, but laws acted wrongly. Mali man to, Socrates. And Socrates insists on explaining where this obligation comes from. He lists the goods he received from the state, arguing that there are so many of these goods that any citizen must accord the state a position of honor even greater than that of their parents. If it is impious to disrespect one's mother or father, it is even worse to respect the state, even if this leads you to war, to be wounded or killed. So, simple lang yung kuhan, palaba, yung sabot. So, kung kuhan, it is a disrespect to, imong disobey ang parents, o saan na kuhan, society nga, dala ka nagpuyong. So, mo to yung kuhan. Munang escaping prison would therefore be wrong for three reasons. So, according to Socrates, nagulong karason na nung ang pa-escape sa prison is hindi yun. First, it would be equivalent to disobeying his parents. So, and second, because he had already been given the opportunity to convince the state to act differently in a court, and therefore have already have a fair shot of disputing its intended course of action. So, kapag i-report ko kanina about Lamilitos, kung si Juan, Socrates, nagtagpo naman sila, so, tinitisali Socrates sa galingon, pero wala man, walang kinatabot yun nga, isintensya sa death, so, tuman lang siya. And lastly, he had spared his whole life in the city, and thereby presented to obey its laws. So, nagpuyo man sa Juan, dito sa city, so, kinahanglan yung obey siya. So, here Socrates takes a moment to return to Plato's earlier argument, and dying would mean abandoning his friends and children. He points out that those same friends would stand in danger of retribution if he escaped successfully. So, kung escape siya, kung managtabang siya, siyempre, ito malagay sa alanganin. On the other hand, if he went to Plato's friend Thessaly, he would be forced to live hard life amid political instability and chaos. So, kung pupalot siya, kung ato sa itong lugar na ganda ni Plato, so sure, Socrates na mag-isip siya dito, hindi mo ito mo yung andan. If he dies, however, he can count on his friend and take care of his family. So, kung matay siya, nakasalig mo siya na si Plato, magtabang sa iyong pamilya. So, muna, ito mga kuha, nagtabo na rin sa pagkakas, muna rin sa Protestantan. So, Plato, to say beside and repeated, I have nothing to say, Socrates. So, what ang gilas kuhan, si Plato kay si Socrates, ako ba naman sa Pedro? Okay naman sa so, the end.
Yahweh is Christians. Our Christians, very comprehensive.
James, dalang ito si Plato James.
Si Klikli muna.
Oh, deh,